Have you ever stood next to someone for 5 minutes, wanting to start a conversation, but your brain suddenly forgot every word, So you stay quiet. Then later, you think of the perfect thing to say. Sound familiar? Most people think they're bad at conversations. But that's usually not the real problem. The real problem is that they're looking for the perfect sentence, instead of paying attention. Part 1. People believe great conversations begin with amazing questions. What's your passion? What do you do? Tell me about yourself. But imagine hearing those questions 10 times in one day. It starts to feel like a job interview. That's why many conversations die after just a few seconds. Not because people don't want to talk, but because they don't enjoy being questioned. Instead of searching for the perfect question, start by noticing something real. Maybe they're carrying an unusual backpack. Maybe they're wearing shoes covered in dust. Maybe they're smiling while reading a message. Those tiny details are conversation starters hiding in plain sight. Part 2. Let's imagine you're waiting in a coffee shop. Someone beside you is struggling to balance a laptop, a coffee, and their phone. Most people ignore it. You simply smile and say, "Looks like your coffee is winning the battle." That's it. No pressure. No interview. Just a simple observation. Now they can laugh, reply, or continue with their day. Either way, you've made the interaction feel natural. The same works almost anywhere. College, at work, on a train, even while waiting in a queue. Part 3. There's another reason this works. People remember how you made them feel, not the exact words you used. If someone feels relaxed around you, they'll enjoy talking to you. If they feel judged, they'll end the conversation quickly. So stop trying to sound impressive. Be curious instead. Notice small things. Listen carefully. React naturally. Good conversations aren't created by clever words. They're built from genuine attention. The next time you're around people, try one small challenge. Put your phone away for just 5 minutes. Look around. Notice 3 small details about the people near you. Choose one, and make a simple, friendly comment. Don't expect every conversation to become a friendship. That's not the goal. The goal is to become someone who notices the world instead of rushing past it. And once you learn that, starting conversations becomes much easier than you ever imagined. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more psychology and communication tips. See you in the next one.